In this video, you will learn how to create your own hashtag on Facebook. The process is really simple and it is similar for Android as well as for iOS devices. So nothing to worry about if you are on Android. First, make sure that you are connected with the internet, and once you are connected with the internet, tap and open your Facebook application. So to create your own hashtag on Facebook, tap on this, and to create a new hashtag, make sure that you write unique words or unique phrases. Firstly, you have to type in this symbol and then write anything unique that doesn't exist before. Working from home exists. This also exists. Nice. Okay, this is something unique. Tap on post, and now you can see a new hashtag has been generated. And now when you will tap on the search bar and write your unique and new hashtag, hashtag working from ho. Look, here is your hashtag. So this was the process by which you can create your own hashtag on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, then please like, share and subscribe before leaving. Thanks.